Well, today's gonna be very short. I just programmed a key to a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and that was pretty easy. I went to the dealership, got the code, and just programmed it with my auto. It was a pretty simple process. One thing they don't tell you when you're programming the keys is you need to put in the new key to program. Like with Dodge, it's a little weird. So I put in the original key and turned it on to get the process going, and that didn't work. And so I put in the new key, the unprogrammed key, turned it to the run position, and that from there I was able to input the pin and get the key programmed. But I couldn't do it with the original key. Anyway, I thought that was weird. With Toyota and stuff like that, I know you have to put the original key in, turn it on, get the programming started, and then it'll tell you to take your key out and insert the new key. This one did not do that, and with my Dart it was really easy. I think it was the same thing. You had to like put the fob up there, wait for it to beep, put the new fob up. I don't know. I'm heading off to somebody's house. They need their property line established, I guess. So I'm taking my metal detector over there. They said that they're having neighbor problems. So I get to go over there, find the property line, and make sure that it's in the right spot. And if it's not, let them know. Well, that was a bust. I went over to the individual's house that I was doing the metal detecting for, and they had a bunch of debris and all kinds of stuff all over the area where I was supposed to be metal detecting, and I just can't. I can't metal detect in an area that's covered in 3 inches of debris. Not for what they needed to find anyway. Those property line pins are pretty deep. My father was a surveyor for 40 years, 30 years, 50 years. He was a surveyor for a long time, and so I went out with him quite a bit when I was a kid, and I remember those pins being very, very way down in the ground. And my grandpa was probably the one that put those pins in, and he put them even deeper. We have a birthday party to go to at 7 o'clock. It is now, I don't know what time it is, 5:39, so I have an hour and a half to clean up. I've got some junk on the floor to clean up and some stuff in the driveway. So I'm going to do that, and then by the time I'm done with that, it should be time to go bowling. Now, I really don't know how it gets like this. Like, I haven't done anything. I haven't even been out here. I've been working. So I don't know how it gets like this every single time I come out to the shed. Oh, I got heaters, by the way. These things are really nice. Turn it on. Set it to 95. Do that. Is it oscillating? Oscillate. This one we'll throw at 95 and we'll oscillate. So these actually heat the space up really nice for this 12 by 15, I think is what it is. I'm not sure. And look, they even have remotes. Alright, floor's all cleaned up, desks, toolboxes are pretty much cleaned up. So that didn't take very long. It's 6:15 now. Now I've got time to get ready to go bowling. I've got my batteries charging. One of them is fully charged. I have 2 of them fully charged right now, and I've got 5 more charging. Well, 4 charging and then 1 ready to charge. I really need to get on this project. The sander there and these guys. I need to make about, let's see, how many do we have? We have 5 of them. I need to make like 25 more. I've got the wood over here. It's been drying out. I don't have enough for 25 here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 14. So I have 14 more that I can make out of this wood. I need to find some more wood to be able to finish these up. I do have some keys. I need to spend the night bending more keys, because these ones aren't quite bent. I do have some bent ones in here. There we go. Got some bent ones in here. It takes 4 per piece of wood, and I need to get on this project because these are Christmas gifts and they need to be sent out. That's probably the majority of like what you'll be seeing over the next like 2 weeks. Not the majority, but like during the day when I can be in here and like be loud, because I can't be loud in here at like 1 o'clock in the morning with the sander going and whatnot. One thing I could do is just spend a day like cutting and sanding all of the wood blocks right here, and then like on the off hours, like when it's nighttime, I can drill and screw I can drill the holes that are in here, and I can screw the keys on. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. But luckily the weekend's coming up and I am working until the 5th. I've got the 6th through the 10th off of my real job, so that's probably what I'll be working on. Let's go bowling. Well, that's lame. I totally meant to take my camera to the bowling alley, but I didn't do any bowling anyway. I was just playing with the kids at the arcade. It wouldn't have been all that exciting anyway. I've got the heater here I'm sitting in front of because it's cold out here. There's no insulation in this shed. Very chilly. However, now that I'm back, I just checked all the Milwaukees and they're all charged except for this one. I'll throw this one in there and get that one charged. Alright, that one's charging. And all these ones are in the drawer where they belong. I'm actually headed to work in about 15-20 minutes. This is going to be the end of the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. See you tomorrow.